to my kitchen. I don't know why I'm at, right? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Wednesday. It is hump day, and it's 2 days before my birthday. Yes. September 28th, your girl be up 49. Wow. I'm gonna have fun on Friday. I got plans. But until then, I thought about this recipe because I was trying to figure out where to go for my birthday. My sister went to Fridays. I didn't want to do Fridays. And I thought about Ruby Tuesdays. But let's face it, they drinks are weak. Every time I go to Ruby Tuesdays, they drinks are watered down. I didn't want to do that. Then I thought about them because they had this thing on their menu, the appetizer. It's like these drop biscuits they give you with some what's the name of that dip? It's a shrimp dip I get from them. So this is a long video, but we're gonna cut edit and make it quick. So I'm gonna do some drop biscuits. I have some shrimps right here. I don't know what Ruby Tuesdays do, but by me I haven't had it in like about 3-4 years. I haven't been to Ruby Tuesdays, and I do remember this dip because I get it all the time. So it's gonna be my version of this dip. I kind of like sort out the flavors that I taste in it, and I'm gonna do that. I'm sweating.
No.
Oh, I feel like I'm sweating. Okay, so we'll get started. I'm gonna start with the drop biscuits. Right here in this bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 teaspoons of sugar, and a 1.5 sticks of cold butter. You see how cold it is? It's crumbling up off this plate. Cold butter. And you can use your hands, a food processor, anything that you may have.
Butter, right? Because some people don't know the difference between butter and
margarine. This is butter, unsalted butter. And I'm gonna use my pastry cutter, and I'm looking for a crumbly. I'm gonna make it crumbly. I'm gonna go in with the pastry cutter. Don't be surprised if I finish it off with the hands. I want it really crumbly. This is not your traditional knead and roll out and cut. This is a drop biscuit, and that's what they use. They use drop biscuits there. They don't use the tortillas or the shells, and I don't like this. Try to put a front. Hands been washed. I need to get in there. I need to get this nice and crumbly. And it's going to take about a good 5 minutes to get it crumbly. I was trying to do that because I didn't want to repeat a Tuesday video. Y'all know the Papatone, arthritis, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to get this nice and crumbly, and then we're going to come back. Okay, we're back. This is the texture we want. See how crumbly it is? And you may still have bits of butter, but that's how crumbly I want it. So I'm going to dig a well. Biggest well I can dig right there. And I'm going in with 1 large egg at room temperature. And I got my buttermilk. My buttermilk, I'm going to eyeball it. I think that's about like 1/4 cup. And I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's just go over this recipe real quick.
That smells good.
That vanilla smells good, right? This is a pure vanilla too. I like this too. Walmart. Let's go over this real quick. I had 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of white sugar. I just put in a 1.5 sticks of cold butter, crumbled it up. Now I just went in with 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 1/3 cup of buttermilk for now, because usually like a 1/2 cup or cup. But let's see what my texture come up with. And of course I'm gonna melt some butter. And when I drop my biscuits on my pan, you need your favorite pan, cookie sheet, and some parchment paper. Or if you have a non-stick pan, that'll work. A non-stick cookie sheet. Remember, this is not the rollout, so we're not needing this. I made these drop biscuits 2 years ago.
You did?
Yeah, with Tony and Tyreek and all them was over here. They were really big. I supposed to did a video for them.
I think I was at work.
Yeah, and the kids just ate them.
Dang. I'll get some of these today then.
And I forgot what I made it for. Now, these the kind to me, not regular biscuits, because with the sugar and the vanilla and the egg, I think these are the kind. I don't need no more milk. That's like 1/3 cup of 1/3 cup of buttermilk. That's all I needed. And you use your cookie sheet. I have my cookie sheet right here. Can you move that with one hand?
Mm-hmm.
Stick it right here. And I'm making little ones because it's going to dip. And you just drop them. Oven 425 until they're golden brown. Space them apart. These are going to be the best golden brown drop biscuits you've seen, guys. I'm only going to do 2 on the roll. I was going to do 3, but no. Now, I don't want to do it too big because they're really for dipping.
These smell good. I love vanilla.
Yeah. I'm just going to do them like that. I want to do little ones because I don't want to have them too big that you can dip your dip in. They said Megan Good got the best body. Somebody ain't there talking about people's bodies. They ain't seen SoulfulT body here. So, oh man. Okay. So they're so uneven. I have them just scattered all over the place. But I'm gonna put these because I want them kind of big, but not too big. I think it's a little too big because I'm using them as dipping. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna melt some butter so when they come out and get ready, I can just go ahead and put some butter on top. 425 in the oven, about maybe for 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. Let me wash my hands, put them in the oven. You'll come back and see what I'm talking about. After I make all of these, I'm gonna bring you back at the end of all my biscuits. Be right back. And I was telling my kids, these are the ones that you use at Roy Rogers. You know, they said, oh Mom, they taste so good. Yeah, because like when you do that, this you can use this recipe if you want to make the strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, Roy Rogers got a strawberry shortcake on biscuit. It's amazing. Best thing you ever had.
So guys, these are my drop biscuits. They came out great. They taste great. They came out great. These are, what's going to go in this bowl? My dip. Ooh, gotta wipe this out. Look like it's some hair. Let's wash that out before we use it. But we're gonna clean all this up and we'll get started on the shrimp dip that's gonna go with these wonderful biscuits. Be right back. Okay, we're about to make the second part of this video. My version of Ruby Tuesday's shrimp dip. Everything I taste when I go in there, it's kind of spicy. I see the tomatoes. I see the little chili, whatever that chili stuff, what is that called? A little green chili. So I bought Rotel, but I bought the original one because I'm going to add some hot sauce to it because I still want that, you know, that the heat, but not that much because I don't like spicy. Now, if you like spicy, this Rotel also come in hot. Okay, and I cut up a fresh tomato. It's because I like tomatoes. This is something extra I want to put in it. And I think I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder to it. And I have me some cream cheese. I let sit out for a couple of hours, get nice and soft. And this. Only Velveeta's because it's so expensive. But I didn't want to go to another store. I was feeling lazy. So I bought shrimps that were already deveined, easy peeled. We did. I cleaned them, took off the shell, already deveined, and added some Old Bay. And I'm placing it in my pan. And I'm going to saute them. Ooh.
Okay.
I'm going to clean off this plate. Because I'm going to place them back on this plate. Because I'm going to chop them up. I didn't want to chop them up, then cook them. So, as far as the Old Bay season, put as much on as you like. Because you're going to add some Old Bay to the sauce as well. This one is going to take about maybe 5 minutes. Like 2.5 on each side. Again, and I'm going to chop them up. Yeah, I'm going to add a little garlic powder on them. I'm going to wash off my shrimp plate where I'm going to put these back on. And by the time we come back, our shrimps will be nice and ready, you guys. And then we're going to go to the next stages. Let me be right back. So guys, the shrimps are done. I'm taking them out.
Those look delicious.
While these cool down before I cut them, I did like 5 minutes, guys. 2.5 on each side. While these cool down, while I cut them, I just dumped off a little bit of the grease, but you're not going to clean this pan. But what you're going to do, give me that cup, that's measuring cup right there. You're going to take some whole milk, put about a cup of milk, leave your stove on low, right on top of that, just like that, because you want all that seasoning. You're going to take your Velveeta cheese. Again, you go to Aldi's, get the processed cheese. You know what I use, guys. I was just in the store, and just didn't feel like doing that. Sometimes I'll cough up the bucks because I don't feel like going to another store. And but I'm only just making the cheese. Letting the cheese melt in its milk. I don't even need all of that because I'm also going in with my cream cheese. Dude.
It's a mess.
And I'm using the whole pack of this. Okay, we back, guys. My camera got full of storage. We had to go delete some old videos. But guess what? You didn't miss anything. I added the rest of the Velveetas, but all this cheese is melting. You just want it to go on a low melt because you don't want it to stick. And just constantly stir it. Look at it. That's it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain off the juice of this rotel because I don't want to make it runny. I'm throwing my rotel in there. Also, I don't want the juice of my fresh tomato. I'm going in with my fresh tomato just because I just love it. Again, I want to control the hot sauce to this. I still want the spice. 1, 2, just a couple of dabs of that. And I cannot be complete. And y'all know I cannot be complete. Y'all know what I'm looking for. But I can't find it. But I will find it before the end of this video. Is my parsley.
Everything parsley.
I'll find it. That's the color I want.
I threw the parsley away.
Okay. A little bit of Old Bay. Either. I know it don't look right, but it's going to taste right once that cheese and milk get up there. I'm thinking about adding a little bit of cheddar cheese. Just because this is done my way. My first time making it. Just because I just had a taste. I was like, I want to make that stuff. That shrimp dip I get from Ruby Tuesdays. I love it. Okay, I'm going to add a cup a cheddar cheese to this, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I added a cup of this, a cup of shredded cheese. This tastes just like it do at Ruby Tuesdays. Look, it's done. I don't want to add my shrimps in it yet because I want to make sure my cheese is melted because I don't want my shrimps to overcook. But guess what? I think I needed more shrimps, but that's okay. Guys, get all the juices. I was about to cry. I am a cry because I can't find my parsley flakes. I'm making a video, everybody. I can't find my parsley flakes. That's what's going to make it look pretty. Somebody stole my parsley flakes. Because if you guys saw the video the other day, didn't I use parsley flakes in there?
I threw them in the trash because I use them too much. It's okay. That smells good.
You can smell the Rotella. Woo!
Oh!
Oh, oversized the bowl.
Oh!
I'm not even gonna put that in there. I'm gonna leave that right there. That is hot. It overlap. Because your girl did too much.
That's a good thing. Let that cheese run down.
So let me taste this. I'm looking for a specific taste. The way, oh, and that's just like at Ruby Tuesdays. This tastes just like it. Oh, I did that. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Tastes good, SoulfulT?
I need some parsley flakes.
You don't need parsley flakes. They are okay without it. Everything don't call for it.
Guys, I did it. I recreated my shrimp dip.
Everybody said hi to Anais.
Oh.
She snuck in on camera. I don't know how she got right there.
Hi, Mama. Say hi.
Say hi, boo.
Y'all, she about to be 1 on October 11th, and she's walking.
October the 8th.
Oh, no, that's right, the 8th. I'm mad. I ain't got no parsley flakes. I'm ending my video. We gotta go. Okay. This came out wonderful. It tastes just like it tastes at Ruby Tuesday. I got a big bowl of this. Got some biscuits to dip it in. Guys, you're gonna love this recipe. If you follow this step by step, somebody gonna be hitting me up. Football season, dip, biscuits, or you can use chips, your favorite chips. You ain't gotta biscuit it.
Fritos.
Fritos. Okay, so until next time, guys, I am out. I am all over the place. I'm sweating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get a good thumbnail of this video. Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Anais. You gonna say bye? Boo.
Mama. Say bye. Say bye, you too. Say bye. Say I'm eat grandma's stuff too. Say I'm eat grandma's stuff too. No, to you. Alright, guys, we're out.
Bye.
It is ready. It is done. I'm just going to dig in it right here. Let you guys see how cheesy that is. Brandon Waller, seriously.
Your face on show.
Oh, that's what I say.
Okay, I was trying to help you out.
I took everything.